ओम गुरुर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार dear students. Chapter number 1, video number 3. Answer in detail. Question C, answer in detail. Question answer discussion. Right? Are you ready everybody? Revision is going on. In this all question answer discussion, chapter wise, most of the part of the chapter explanation will be covered actually. It will be revised each and every incident of the chapter. So this session, question answer discussion, is like chapter explanation only, right? So those who haven't paid properly attention, or someone have missed out because of some reason this chapter explanation videos, don't worry. Whenever you get time, you just watch those videos. It's very important. Very hard work has been put into those videos. My innate desire and request, please watch those chapters, reading and explanation videos, and afterwards you will see these revision videos. You'll get many more things, and I give you guarantee you will not have to read again and again. Right, dear students, let's start with question answer discussion. Question number 1, page number, I think, yes, 8. Why did Damu leap up? That's the answer. Understand the question? Yes. Leap means jump. Yes. Damu was daydreaming that he was singing at a concert while students from his school were looking up at him in praise or adoration, and tears of joy and remorse were flowing down his father's and uncle's cheeks. Right? This is a description is given in the chapter already. He was caught up in his own world, fantasy land, when the words, "Oh my gosh," uttered by his sister Smriti Chachi, startled him, and he leapt up in surprise. In short, he was daydreaming and he was disturbed by his sister Smriti, and surprised him by poking him, and because of this he leapt up in surprise. Right? He came out from his daydreaming. This is the answer. Now let's go for question number 2. Why had Damu's excitement at meeting his sister quickly soared? Damu's excitement, Damu's sister actually had gone to her in-laws' house after marriage, and after 1 year she has come back and she has given surprise to him by poking him, by awakening him from his daydreaming, and this excitement to meet his sister turned to sword actually. Let's see the answer. According to Damu, Smriti had changed after getting married and staying with her in-laws for just a year, unlike earlier time when, according to Damu, Smriti had been untidier than him. She now wanted everything to be spick and span, means neat and tidy. Even her laughter seemed to have changed, and Damu's excitement at meeting his sister, whom he had been eagerly waiting to meet, had quickly soared. Now he doesn't want to. Now he doesn't feel that excitement meeting his sister. Alright, dear students? So this is the answer number 2. Question number 3. How did Nausat and Damu feel about water? This is very long discussion. We want to just discuss, and afterwards we want to remember. Alright, dear students? About water, both were feeling what? Nausat, first of all, we start with Nausat. Nausat said that he saw many different things, and when he looked at water, depending on the position of the sun, when it was noon and the water glittered in the sunlight, the water seemed like gold, and when the sun was about to set, the water seemed warm and heavy like honey, as it had absorbed the sun's heat. So this is the thing Nausat felt about water. Hearing these, Damu said that when he looked at water, he felt that water was a living thing. Water was a living thing. Because when the water was clear at dawn, first rays of the sun fall on the earth, dawn. When the water was clear at dawn, he could see fish and dirt and leaves and movement. Nausat told Damu that there was a whole universe down there, and that water bodies occupied more space on earth than land. He kindled Damu's imagination when he said that there were probably continents of fish rulers, and perhaps even different communities of fish. Damu even cracked a joke by saying that a fish in a different water body would be called a foreigner. So these are the, this is the discussion between Damu and Nausat about water and how they felt about water. Alright, dear students? Now let's go for question number 4. How do you know that Damu's uncle, father and mother were proud of his good haul? Answer. Good haul, it does mean that good catch of fish. How do you know? Let's see the answer. Arvindan, one by one. Arvindan was proud that Damu had become responsible and the decision of the family council had yielded the results. And Devki was proud that Damu had been able to show Sudhakaran that he would be a good fisherman. Devki. Now Sudhakaran would not scold Damu as much as he used to. Sudhakaran felt proud that his son had a vivid imagination and was like him. So these are the three persons, Arvindan, Devki and Sudhakaran felt proud. He was also very happy that Damu would be a good fisherman. Okay, he said this word, and because of this, okay, three sentences, three observation, we can say that Damu's uncle and father and mother were proud of him for his good haul. Question number 5. Did Sudhakaran understand Damu better at the end of the story? How do we know that? Let's see. Yes, Sudhakaran understood Damu better at the end of the story. He realized that Damu was actually just like him. Means when Sudhakar and Arvindan was at the early age, means childhood, they were also likewise him, and he is also like them, just like him. And Damu had a vivid imagination and enjoyed doing things which he didn't perceive as work. Right? Didn't see as work. This is the answer of the question number 5. Right, dear students? Okay. Now, question number D. Think and answer. Do you think Nausad understood Damu and knew how to get across to him? Nausad understand Damu or not? And knew how to get across to him. Means whatever Nausad wanted to make him understand, was he able to make him understand? And give reasons for your answer. This is the think and answer and long answer you want to write as per your opinion. I'll give my opinion for this, and you can also give your opinion, but you want to write how you want to write. Let's see this example. You can write also, you can add your own words also in this think and answer. Right? So first understand the question and then try to give the answer in your own words. I give you answer, no doubt, but it's my perspective, my opinion. So your opinion may be vary. All students' opinion may be vary. Right, everybody? So let's see the ideal answer. Afterwards, you can add your own words if you want. Okay? Right. So, how I think Nausad's wisdom gathered from his experience. He was above 80 years. Nausad's wisdom gathered from his experience and age. Means बहुत सारी दिवाली देखी थी, right? And helped him to understand and connect with them. And old age person always, be connected with the smaller one, and they can just make them understand. Yes. So understand or not these lines, Damu's wisdom gathered from experience and age. This helped Damu to understand and connect with them. Second sentence, he knew that he needed to be at the same level as Damu to be able to make Damu talk to him and draw him out. He knew. Nausad Appan was knowing. Okay? This thing that Damu be able to make is Damu to able to make Damu talk to him and draw him out. That's why he didn't try to advise Damu. He directly talked with him. Okay, he didn't give advice. He was trying to take out something, take out some skills from Damu. He was only encouraging. Nausad Appan was only encouraging him. Okay? And be familiar with him. And he was supporting to Damu's, thoughts, Damu's wish to be a rocket scientist. His emotions. And generally, we want to just encourage others' emotions if they are going on the righteous way, correct way. So, that is why he didn't try to advise Damu, but talked to him about something that would be of interest to him. And Damu was having different interests, daydreaming and wants to become a rocket scientist. So Nausad was talking about his dream and interest. As they discussed about the water, Nausad fanned Damu's imagination. Wow, your imagination is superb, fantabulous. Nausad became a fan of Damu's imagination. And Damu easily opened up. Without hesitation, he talked with Nausad Appan and started talking freely with him. Right? So this is the benefit of experience and age. So whenever we keep any company, the students keep company of elders, so that you can get some knowledge, some experience. Right, dear students? Right. So this is the discussion. Question number C and D we have discussed, page number 8. Right? This is video number 3. And afterwards we'll discuss question number E and then next chapter. Alright? Thank you all of you, and till now, namaskar.